Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Blue Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good. So today in this video, we are going to be trying and making a pixelated sword in under just 5 minutes. So let's begin. So let me get the sword here on my paint.net. So this is the sword which we are going to be recreating using paint.net. And so let's get started. So in order to create a new file, we have to press on File, New, and then we have to select the height and width of the file, which should be 16 by 16 pixels. Now we can zoom our file, zoom our canvas, and remove the layer above the background. Now we have a transparent canvas here. We can select pencil. Let's grab the exact same color and let's copy paste the color here so that we can make an exact replica of the old sword. Now let's get the pencil and start drawing the pencil and start drawing the sword, something like this. Now we can just draw this part, which is like and pixel front, and then getting the sword around here. I'll just modify the sword a little bit to make it look way more interesting. So this is the sword. Now let's build the inner part. Let's grab color picker, the color used for inside, and with the pencil we can make the inner part like so. And now it's only the lightest part in the sword which gives an effect to the sword, making it look interesting. And we are done. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server, link in the description.